Hello everyone. Function and recursion are two very important techniques in respect of programming language. There are lots of programming language like C, C++, Java, Fortran, etc. But keeping higher study CBS in mind, I am going to choose C++ for describing these techniques. Next, you just change the syntax of the language which you are using. In this video, I am going to describe what are function and recursion, types of calling like call by value and call by reference. So let's start the video. So here, function is a group of statements that together performs a task. It has two parts. First one is the prototype declaration and the second one function definition. It will be clear after understanding the following program. The syntax of a prototype declaration of function is return data type, function name, and the data type of the parameter. Here in this program, return data type is integer, function name is sum, and there are two parameters and their data type is integer types. In the code you see z is equal to sum x comma y. Here it is called function calling. After main you can see the definition of the function, that is sum. Now my question is, how do you call a function? If there is no argument, then it calls directly by its name. But with argument it calls by the following two ways, that is call by value and call by reference. This will clear by the following example of the program. Look these two code carefully and watch the output of both. What did you see? First one give 10 and the second one 20, right? Why this happened? In code 1, return type of the function is void, so the value of a in main did not change. But in code 2, return type of the function is integer. So in the function definition, after calling the function, value of a copied and passed as a argument and add with 10, the resultant stored in b, which returns the value in main, that is 20. You can write this also instead. So how call by references differ from call by value? This cleared instability of your mind. In this program, look at second line, void num integer ampersand. Here ampersand means address of. At the time when function call occurred, it just passed the address of the value stored in a, and look, it hasn't any return type. So the question is, can I change the value stored in a with the function? Yes, you can. Keep one thing in your mind, passing address of a variable means anything can change in it, also reflects all over the program. Now in the function definition, add 10 with a and resultant will be 20 or 10 more of the address of that variable a. 20, yes, that's right, because ampersand a means value at the address of a, that is 10. 10 plus 10 equal to 20 stores on a. It means value at the address of a change to 20. So the output is 20. Hope this brief idea about function and function calling are clear to you. Now let's go to recursion. Recursion is a process in which a function calls itself as a subroutine. The following example of a program will clear the idea. Look at the function definition, there is a condition. So remember, while doing recursion, there is a condition that violates the subroutine and breaks the condition. Otherwise, it will be infinite. Hope this idea about recursion is clear to you. I am going to leave 2 questions for you. First one, show table of a number using function, and the second one, sum of all the digits of a number using recursion. So if you have difficulty to solve this, be sure to leave a comment in the comment box below. See you in the next video. Thank you.